Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make organic Kajal at home. First, gather your ingredients: pure almond oil, clarified butter or ghee, and a cotton wick. You'll also need a clean, heat-resistant plate or a traditional brass lamp to collect the soot. Sterilizing all your tools is crucial to ensure the Kajal remains pure and safe for your eyes. This simple preparation sets the foundation for a natural, homemade beauty product. Now let's move to the soot collection. Soak your cotton wick in a mixture of ghee and almond oil, then light it. Carefully place a clean, heat-resistant plate or a brass lamp approximately 1½ inches above the flame. This setup allows the flame to burn steadily, producing a fine black soot. Let it burn for several hours, ideally overnight, to gather a sufficient amount of this precious ingredient. Once you have a good amount of soot, it's time to create your Kajal paste. Carefully scrape all the collected soot from the plate into a small, clean bowl. Next, add just a few drops of pure almond oil or castor oil. Start with a small amount and add more if needed. Mix everything thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, consistent, and creamy paste. This ensures easy application and a rich, dark finish. For storage, transfer your freshly made organic Kajal into a small, airtight container. This helps preserve its freshness and prevents contamination. When applying, use a clean fingertip or a dedicated Kajal applicator for best results. Remember, a little goes a long way for that intense, natural look. Also, for those looking to upgrade their home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space spotless effortlessly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.